Hey y'all, it's Moan from Crumbs and Butter. I'm about to make me a scrumptious burger and some fries, courtesy of that bad thing. That's a Zgrill. Wood pellet grill, y'all. I'm about to cook a burger, which we know we can do on the grill, but also some French fries. Let's see what happens. Well, I'm gonna be the first one to say burger, fries on the Zgrill. It's freaking phenomenal. The fries even had a little smoky wood taste to them. Yes, 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 yes. We will do that much, much more often. Shout out to Zgrill for making a great, 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 great product.